Welcome to Flood Escape. This looks really cool actually. I didn't actually expect it to be this. I mean, look how cool this trolley is. Is this a trolley? I'm pretty sure it's a trolley. This is probably the best thing I've ever seen ever in the map. It looks just so detailed. It's like one of those trolleys in Woolworths. Actually, that's not really true. Trolleys at Woolworths are usually green, aren't they? Never mind. Anyways, Flood Escape. Alright, by iWacky or Twitter iWacky Minecraft. Highly correct in settings, who cares about that? And these are pretty cool animations, I like it a lot. Very, very aesthetic. Alright, so this is a stub one. Actually, I just want to first admire how cool all these animations and all this 3D effects. It looks so cool. Wow, it looks like one of those factories that my mum works at. Which is not cool, but, you know, this is cool. Unlike, what is this supposed to be? Can I open it? No. Okay then. This is a ladder. I have no idea what this is, but it looks cool. Yeah, certainly, not a place that I would like to work at, but still, you know, can I climb that? Alright, never mind, let's just start playing. Because it's probably all, actually, what's this? Flood speed, slow, normal, fast, super fast. Faster flood if players far away, on, player individually off. Okay, I want to go with, let's start with normal first, there we go. Let's see how fast normal is, and then we'll speed it up as the video goes longer on. Anyways, let's go. And whoa, this is actually pretty cool. I like this elevator too. Wow. Okay. Oh, okay, we go. Alright, let's go. I don't know what this is supposed to be. I don't know what it's supposed to be doing, but okay, I'm just going. Hey, it's a dumpster. We just call it a dumpster. No. What do we do? Oh, what's this? We parkour? Oh, this is parkour. Alright. There we go. And where's the flood? We see? Oh, there it is. There it is. So we can't. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. This is nerve-wracking. Jump, jump, jump. There we go. We're doing it. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can see it. Is that even water? What is that? What is that? It's like rabbit urine. I don't know. Never mind. Alright, where do we go? Over the fence. Oh, there you go. There's a little hoppity doo over there, and there we go, up there. And what is this? Do we turn this off? I don't know. We just climb the boxes. Climb. Go around the little the rabbit holes. Why am I referencing everything the rabbits? I don't know. Come on, make it. There we go. Ooh. Now we go up here on this little cylindrical object I don't know of. Okay, there we go. Take your time. Where do we go? P. Okay, that works. Now over here, that's weird looking rope, and we're going to slide up here and then we bounce up. There we go. Nice and easy. Just there we go. And we got a little wrench there, don't need that. And oh, okay, that's how you filling up pretty fast. Alright, now up here, and on the ladder, up here. There we go. No, wait, what? I did. No. My gosh, oh, I didn't even complete it. I thought I would complete that. There's no pressure whatsoever. I just messed up myself. Why am I? Okay, there we go. Alright, let's just stick with normal. I think normal's okay. We'll just, until I complete this, then we'll move it up, okay? Alright, on to the next round. And we are back. Let's go. Let's just get, okay, well, a little head start here, which should help us. Now I'm here. And we'll just try and get back to the place that we fell at. Please don't mess it up again, because that'll be just a colossal waste of time. And that'll be very frustrating, because I don't want to do this all over again. Because this does seem like a very fun minigame. There we go. I have to say, this does look really, really cool. I really like it. It's like, I'm not sure if you played this, but it's like this Roblox, I think. Even though Minecraft does look relatively similar to Roblox. Can I not put jump on me? Thank you. Alright, there we go. Oh, I see. That's so cool. Look, it's actually wet. Wow. That's actually, someone actually took the time to do that. Alright. Jeez, it's actually very slippery. It's actually causing me some trouble. There we go. Up there. No! Come on, take it easy. There we go. Okay, now onto the slime. There we go. Backtrack. Onto the pipes. Now over here, don't mess it up. There we go. Now there we go. Up here, I guess see the arrows. Just follow the arrows. We should be fine. Alrighty, and now where to? Are we actually supposed to go in there? Oh, we are. I just failed it miserably. Now what? Oh no, I'm actually very nervous. Please don't fail. Yes, I did it. What is this? I don't know. Just jump on these weird things. Alright. No! Almost fell. There we go. The ladder. And it's like, it reminds me of Wipeout. It really does. There we go. How far are we? Oh my gosh. Don't tell me you have to go all the way up there. You have to go all the way up there? This one took ages, over here. Where to now? Where to now? Where to there? It is a little pretty tricky though. I will admit that. I will admit that. Over here I guess. Where do we go? It's just like, oh, back here? What? Oh, it's not. Over here. Over here, and on the slime. Okay. It's a bit lagging because my software I'm using is not good. Back here. This way. Where do we go? Where do I go? What? What? Oh, back there? Oh, yes. Alright, there we go. Alright, there's some up here. No? Oh, this way. Let's follow the arrows. Alright, up here on this box, on the little ball. Over here. Please don't take too long. Yeah, we should have gone fast. Help! I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I am done. I am done. Super fast. Alright, this will be interesting. But let's do it anyway. Quick, we need a really fast head start. Okay, I can already see it rising very, very quickly. Oh my gosh. Why do I feel the pressure when I was even started? Okay. Oh my. I just died. How do I die? How do you die to that so quickly? I swear, something's not right here. No, we're doing this again. I'm not doing it like that. Come on. We've got to do a much better attempt. Alright. Okay, I'm just gotta moisten the lips there. Yeah, I think this should be the run. I'm feeling it now. I'm feeling it now, Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs, I'm feeling it now. Alright. There we go. We're doing stuff up. Finally. This is it. I believe in life after love. I believe in everything. I believe in the earth is flat. I believe that the earth is hollow. I believe that Fortnite is not the best game ever. I believe. I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. Alright. No, I didn't, I can't afford. Oh my gosh. No. Alright, well, see you later. I hate this. I hate this. Alright, then, see you.